Hello, it's Roland Mills, a classically trained opera singer and former starving artist. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to inspire you to make money and build real wealth, so subscribe for more personal finance conversations like this one. Today I'm going over the absolute travesty that was Workhorse stock. Like many of you, I bought this stock last year when everyone was scrambling to find the next EV company to ride to the moon. But like many rocket ships, quick disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an opera singer on YouTube sharing what information has worked for me in the hopes that it will inspire you to grow your wealth as well. Before we get started, I'd greatly appreciate if you would just smash that like button. It helps to spread the word to other people like you. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell thing that's probably right in front of my face so you don't miss out on future tips I'll be dropping along the way. Alrighty then, let's get into it. Alright, yeah, I'll be honest guys, this one hurts. I don't know why this was so painful because I knew it was a gamble going into it. I didn't have all that strong of a conviction regarding this company and placed about 4% of my portfolio into Workhorse as a bet, a gamble that the USPS would award Workhorse the multi-billion-dollar contract to renew their fleet. I thought they had it in the bag. There was like no competition. But now, here we are. EV maker Workhorse plummets as Oshkosh wins postal contract. Oshkosh? Who even is Oshkosh? I'd never heard of them before. Yeah, if you're like me, you're probably wanting to cry so bad right now. Just dust yourself off and read a good book like this one, written by my beautiful wife, Jessie Marie. After that, reward yourself with 2 free stocks on Webull. That's right, when you fund your account with $100, they'll give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. That's free money, y'all. All right, y'all, let's check out this article. Electric vehicle maker Workhorse Group, Inc. plunged today, triggering multiple trading halts after a key U.S. Postal Service contract that some had expected it to win went to a rival Oshkosh Corp instead. Oshkosh. The missed opportunity came as a big blow for Workhorse investors like myself, sending the shares 47% lower in New York, the steepest decline since October 2011. Let's take a look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how just sad that, look at that steep plummet off the cliff. And you know what? The horrible thing is, my spidey senses were tingling this whole time. I knew I should have sold. Right when I looked at their production numbers, saw they produced like one vehicle one quarter, like another vehicle the next quarter, and then like when we were expecting them to bump up to 150 units delivered or manufactured, their big number that they revealed was like 7. I knew I should have gotten out, but no, I was like, I'm gonna diamond hands this thing, and diamond hands, let me just tell you, are sharp. Okay, yeah, so shares continue to fall in after-hours trading, losing 10%. Oshkosh, which rose 6.1% in the regular session, gained as much as 17% post-market. Let's take a look at that. Let's see, Oshkosh stock. Boom! Look at all this. Wow, I hadn't even heard of this company. Apparently they're like a defense contractor. Yeah, and the vehicles that they're going to deliver won't even be all electric. Check this out. Oshkosh Defense will manufacture both zero-emission battery electric vehicles and fuel-efficient low-emission internal combustion engine vehicles, upgrading the USPS fleet to be increasingly sustainable. Under the contract announced today, the USPS has committed to pay Oshkosh Defense $482 million to initiate engineering efforts to finalize the production vehicle design and for tooling and factory build-out activities that are necessary prior to vehicle production. This is wild, y'all. This is wild. It won't even be all electric. What kind of upgrade is this? So Oshkosh will finalize the design of the vehicle for mail and package delivery and will assemble 50,000 to 165,000 of them over the contract period. The contract could be worth more than $5.7 billion in revenue over its 10-year lifespan, which we were hoping to go to Workhorse, but it didn't.
Down more than 50%. Trading was halted temporarily. It was resumed and those losses continued. The company was vying for a contract to update the post office fleet. It was about a 10-year contract for just about $480 million. A company called Oshkosh Defense received that contract. Lordstown Motors was also competing for it. Their shares down double digits as well. Again, shares of Workhorse, they've resumed trading after being halted. The stock down just about 50% after losing a contract to update the post office fleet. Back over to you.
I guess that goes to show you, invest at your own risk, y'all. If you decide to invest in single stocks instead of like an index fund or some sort of ETF, know that you've got to stay up to date perpetually on news about that company to make sure that nothing fundamentally hasn't changed. And then once you find out that something fundamental has changed, or in the case of Workhorse, there never was any fundamental, juice to fuel that company to begin with, don't buy that stock. I will never make a mistake like this again, and I hope you guys don't either. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you found it educational and entertaining. I'll eventually monetize this channel just so YouTube will blast it out to more people, but I really am not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I truly believe that there must be a way for artists like myself and my friends to create without becoming starving artists. Stay tuned for more personal finance tips, reaction videos, and stories from my days as a performer in the future. In the meanwhile, feel free to follow me on Instagram and comment down below if there's a topic you'd like to see me tackle next. Till the next time, I hope you all keep creating and spreading love through your arts. That's something that money can't buy, and it's the best part of the human experience. Much love, y'all.